Keyword research is one of the best practices of SEO. Marketing professionals use it to find the most relevant search terms and alternative search terms that people enter when searching for information. This research helps businesses understand what types of keywords need to work on website copy, page titles, tags, and more to help them optimize organic content discovery. Businesses of all sizes, including one-man stores, local grocery stores, and small businesses, need to think and approach search engine optimization strategically. But not every business can afford to hire an SEO agency to do that, which is why YouTube keyword tools like this list are so helpful. Let's start today's video without talking too much. Links to all sites will be given in the video comments. Number 1. KeywordTool.io. When you search for a video on YouTube, the platform gives you a long list of suggested results based on what other people have searched for in the past. Keyword tools use that data to help marketers like you improve your YouTube SEO. Keyword Tool is a YouTube automated keyword program that generates popular search phrases from base terms. For example, a company that makes clothes for babies and children may regularly use the term baby clothes as a keyword. After using the keyword tool, the company can improve its keyword strategy with additional phrases such as baby clothing DI and baby clothes quilt, both of which rank high as general search terms. You can use the platform's trend data to see which specific keywords perform best at what time of year to change your strategy depending on consumer habits and holidays. You can access the most basic features of the free keyword tool, but there are many more features that are worth paying for, such as cost per click data and competitive keyword analysis. The monthly plan for the keyword tool ranges from $69 to $159 per month, depending on what you plan to analyze. Number 2. Keyword Cage. Keyword Cage is a 5-tool suite focused solely on keyword research, collecting data from a total of 12 APIs. Where YouTube is concerned, the main use of the Keyword Cage is as a tag generator. All you have to do is pop up your keywords in the search bar and wait for the tool to create a list of suggested keywords. You can then use them to help you decide which keywords to use in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Nice value so far, isn't it? Well, there's a nice little trick on offer. You can only filter the results to show keywords related to the buyer's intent, which allows you to shortlist keywords that are more likely to convert. Cha-ching! Another simple piece of information can be found in the trends column. Here you can see if a keyword is trending up or down based on the search volume. A sharp downward trend may not be worth your time. Packages range from $38 per month for website owners and entrepreneurs to $762 per month for agencies, but you can save up to 40% on these prices with an annual package. Number 3. vidIQ. vidIQ helps video content creators determine the best keywords to improve searchability. When you research a search term, vidIQ pulls data from YouTube to help you see what's happening with that term. You'll be able to see helpful information such as recommended tags and what best performing videos currently appear in the SERPs. If you want to get more granular, you can also use vidIQ to explore additional related keywords and look at search volume reporting in the past month or year, or even since YouTube was created. This tool is great for helping marketers evaluate whether they are using the right keywords, exploring new keyword options, and evaluating who they are competing against for higher search rankings. vidIQ comes with dozens of other features designed for video makers, but requires a subscription for keyword research tools. However, at only $57.50 per month, it is quite affordable even on a tight budget for small businesses. Number 4. Keyword Tool Dominator. With a name like Keyword Tool Dominator, we had high expectations for this platform. While it's not as mind-blowing as its moniker, you can believe it is a very easy-to-use tool for newbie keyword research. Just type a word into the search bar, and the voila, Keyword Tool Dominator creates a long list of suggested YouTube search phrases that include your word. You can choose which keywords you want to add to a custom list and export your list from the same screen. This tool simplifies keyword research. And its pricing model. Keyword Tool Dominator is free to search up to 2 per day. If you want to search more words more often, you can get stuck at a one-time price of $29.99. Keyword Tool Dominator works with other major search engines such as Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and more. Number 5. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a video SEO nerd's best friend. This tool is designed to discover tags related to your search terms in the example below. When searching for the search term San Diego surfing, TubeBuddy shows users that there are many more popular video search terms like San Diego surfing beach and San Diego surfing season that are trending. But the tool looks much more than that. TubeBuddy dashboard also shows the overall score of your search terms, how competitive that term is, the total number of times that term was searched, and more. And since it's a lightweight Chrome extension, TubeBuddy isn't just easy to use, it's easy to install too. The best part, you can use the whole thing for free. The remaining 5 will be shown in the next video. Subscribe to the channel with us. Thanks everyone.